Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this one, we can apply about Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So I will put about YC. That's about complementary solution equals to s to the power of n. If I do first derivative of this one, you will have about ns to the power of n minus 1. If I do second derivative, we have n multiplied by n minus 1 s to the power of n minus 2. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one should be equals to number 0. So this one, that is about this one, and this one, that is about this one, and y we change by this one. Number 2 with n minus 2, you got about s to the power of n. S with s to the power of n minus 1, you got about s to the power of n. Next, s to the power of n, we can do about factorization. So we have n multiplied by n minus 1 plus n minus 4 equals to number 0. N multiplied by n and negative number 1. Now we simplify n, and you got about negative number 4. So we just have this one left, and that should be about n squared minus 4 equal to number 0. We put number 4 go to the right, and then we have n equal to number 2, n equals to negative number 2. So about YC, we will have about C number 1. We have S to the power of number 2, and we have C number 2. That's about S to the power of negative number 2. That's it from n in here. Now we go to particular solution. We have s to the power of 4 in here, so we put about YB. That's about particular solution equal to as to the power of 4. If I do first derivative of this one, we have for as to the power of 3. If I do second derivative of this one, we will have about number 3 with number 4, you got about 12 as to the power of 2. Now I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, this one go in here. And now we need to simplify, and you got about 12 as to the power of 4 plus 4 as to the power of 4 minus 4 as to the power of 4 equal to 2s to the power of 4. We simplify this one. So that means 12a equals to number 2, and 8 equal to 2 divided by 12, and you got about 1 over 6. So YB in here, we need to change capital A into 1 over 6. And now we have the final answer. Y equals to YB plus YC. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.